Hi, Mr. President Bongbong Marcos. My name is Master Poppy, and this is my nephew. What's your name?
Raico, I by the Gagayan University. I'm from daycare.
Yes, he's so bright. He's so smart. 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 equals 11.
11. And I know that he goes to school always, right? And Mr. President, I want to ask for toys for Raico. He likes the toys. What toys is that?
Lego Batman.
Lego Batman, and because we're so poor. Are we poor, Raico?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not poor.
Huh?
I'm not poor.
You don't want the toys?
Naman ko dagang toys.
Dili na ta mag-select ka, Mr. President.
Kuya.
So, Raico is so poor. Di ba wala kay toys, Raico? And Mr. President, please, wala kay toys, Raico, no? He likes the toys, the Barbie, and
I don't like Barbie.
no. He wants Barbie doll and
I
Barbie.
don't like Barbie doll. It's for girls.
Girls then. Okay, he doesn't like Barbie dolls then for girls when they na siya, Mr. President. And also he likes to kanang make a pet, no? You want a pet? If you can give him the pet snake, he likes to pet the snake. He doesn't get scared sa snake, manggod, Mr. President. And also, please give him a pet shark so that you can have a shark here in the water. And also, Mr. President, he's so talented. He's so talented. He can sing. He can sing. He can sing a song. You want a sample, Mr. President?
Jumbo hot dog.
Yes. He likes it. And he can dance also. He's very talented. And also, he is very good in acting. He want to be an artista, di ba, Raico? And then, he can cry. He can cry. And he can also like very angry. Like that, and his action like Gardo, you can be afraid of Raico. Raico will be the action star. Police, he can very very smart boy, like he can spell the words, and he does not sleep. He does not sleep, manggod. He does not sleep, and Raico can spell the words international. Spell international, Raico. International.
E. Int. T. Inter. R. Interna. N. Interna. Internash. H. International.
The last letter is
N.
international.
N.
N. Very good. Yes, say, hi, Mr. President. Please give me the toys.
I'm Mr. Raico Bite.
Please give me the toy.
Please give me the toy because I'm a super talented because I can play Roblox because I'm the gamer because I'm talented playing Roblox.
Raico, Mr. President, Raico is so bright. He is in high school right now. High school, ba? You're in high school.
Daycare pa ko.
High
Kay
school.
bata pa ako.
And then he knows how to jump so high like a basketball player. Oh, diba? Raico loves Master Poppy. He loves also to eat vegetables, right?
Oh,
And also he loves to eat snakes and rats, and also,
that's dirty.
huh?
That's dirty. I don't like rats.
I don't know, it's bad. He likes to eat cockroach and,
That's bad.
huh?
That's bad.
Bad, right?
And snake is bad.
It's bad. So what do you like to eat, Liay?
Gulay.
Gulay and
And vegetables.
vegetables and
Not
worms.
junk.
Worms, okay ra. Worms.
Dali, okay.
Hindi Japon, okay?
It's bad.
Bad eh. I would like to ask for an airplane going to the mountain. He wants to experience snow, di ba? We want to experience snow, and then we will throw him in the airplane. We will throw him there so that he can go to the snow.
Why did you throw me?
Because you want to go to the snow.
Or I will,
Mr. President,
or I will split.
you split? Why?
Because you throw me.
Dili na pwede mag-throw? I'm sorry.